You know those super basic words we use all the time, like you and me? What if I told you they're hiding this amazing secret, a secret about how we see the world? Today, we're going to dive into this really cool linguistic twist that's been right under our noses.
Okay, so let's just get right into it. We're about to explore this little piece of language magic, and I'm telling you, it's pretty wild when you first hear about it.
So, have you ever really thought about the words we use for people? You know, I, you, he, she, they. They seem so fundamental, like every language must have them, right? Well, what if that's not exactly true?
All right, before we get to the big reveal, let's start with what we all know, English pronouns. It's super simple, and it'll give us a good starting point.
I mean, think about it. In English, our whole set of personal pronouns is, well, it's pretty small. You've got I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. That's basically the whole shebang. Nice and simple. So yeah, it really just comes down to six. Only six basic words to talk about everyone and everything around us. Kind of crazy when you think about it. But hang on to that number, six. It's important. Okay, so now for the fun part. Because what seems so normal and simple in English, well, Arabic tells a totally different story. This is where it gets good. So check this out. Did you know that Arabic is much bigger than English? I mean, that's a pretty bold statement, right? Much bigger? What does that even mean? Especially when we're just talking about these tiny little words. All right, look at this. You've got English on one side with our nice, neat little six, and then you have Arabic over here with a big old question mark. Seriously, take a second. Take a guess. What number do you think is hiding behind there? Okay, you ready? It's 12. 12. Not 7, not 8, a full dozen. That is literally double the pronouns we have in English. Just let that sink in for a sec. We get by with 6. Arabic has 12. That's 2 times as many. For something as basic as pronouns, that's a massive, massive difference. So the obvious question is why, right? Why would you need twice as many? And it's not just for the heck of it. Every single one of those extra pronouns adds a whole new layer of detail, of nuance, that we just don't have in English. And this is the key right here. More pronouns means you can be way more specific. Think about it. In English, I can say you to one person, or I can say you to a whole room of people. But in Arabic, oh no, there's a you for talking to one guy, a different you for talking to one woman, another word for talking to 2 people, and then different words for you when you're talking to a group of guys versus a group of women. All that information is packed right into that one little word. So let's zoom out for a second. This whole 6 versus 12 thing, it's more than just a cool piece of trivia, you know? It actually points to something much, much bigger about how our language can shape our reality. And really, this is what it's all about. It's not about which language is better or bigger or anything like that. It's just a really powerful reminder that every single language is its own unique universe. It's a completely different way of slicing up the world, of seeing reality. And each one gives us this incredible, unique window to look through. So I'll just leave you with this question to chew on. If one tiny, simple word like you can hide such a huge difference, just imagine what other secrets are tucked away in the words we use every single day. Pretty cool to think about, right? Thanks for hanging out and exploring this with me.